Hey guys, so I've been seeing these fun math or treating ideas floating around, and I wanted to show you something that I made for my fourth grade class to do on Friday. It's got fourth grade level questions. They range from addition and subtraction to place value, rounding, all the way up into 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. So if you've downloaded this resource, this is also going to kind of show you some things to do to get it sent out to your students. So first of all, you have the slides. This is what it's going to look like for your students. They're going to see this in present mode, and they will be able to see each house. They'll be able to click here on the door and go to each question. If they answer the question wrong, it will take them to this error page, and they can click the try again arrow to go back and check their answer again. If they get the question correct, it's going to give them a slide that says correct. It's going to give them a message of your choice, and then they can go to the next house and repeat the process all over again. So let me exit out of this here and kind of show you some different things that you can do with this. So if you choose to edit the questions, that's totally fine. You've just got to be careful because all of the slides are linked, and that's what takes the most time. So if you really want to edit them, you can do that. Just leave the slides linked as they are. So you can edit the question here. The only thing that you want to pay attention to is the way that the slides are linked so far. So if you click on the edge, you'll see this is linked to slide 4. So that's the correct answer. So you'll need to make sure if you change it, if you change this answer, that the correct answer goes here. These two answers you'll see are linked to slide number 3, and that is the incorrect page. Now, it's different for every question. So on here, this one links to slide number 8, which is the correct answer, and these two link to slide number 7, which is the incorrect answer. So just make sure on any question that you edit that you put the correct answer where the correct answer is already linked to. So it's really easy for you to edit. You can also edit the door picture here, but do not delete. You need to click, and then you're going to click replace image, upload an image from your computer, and you'll be able to replace it, and it will leave that link here because each of the doors are linked to the very next slide. The other part that you really want to do is if you send it to your students like this is what they're going to see. They're going to be able to see this bar down here, and they can really kind of click around and go to any of the slides that they want to. So what you want to do is you want to make sure to send it in presentation mode, but you also want to take that bar off of there. So I'll show you how to do that here in just a second. What I plan on doing with my kiddos is each time they get something correct, I have treat buckets around the door with some different, or around the room with some different candy in it. And so they'll find the treat bucket that's labeled with that number, and they get to grab their treat. You guys might choose to do something different. So just make sure on each of the that's correct slides that you edit the directions that they should do after each one. And so this was for number 1. So it says number 1, but you'll need to make sure to do that on all of those slides. So in order to send it to your kids in Google Slides, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that it's share. You're going to make sure that it's set to anyone with the link can view. You're going to copy that link. You're going to go into Google Classroom. You are not going to click this add button to add it as a link. That will not work for your students, and you'll be very frustrated. Make sure that you put the link in the description. So in stream, I'm not going to do it under classwork. I'll say math or treat here. And then I will just add this link. In this link, you need to change the edit to present. And then at the end, this is the part that's going to take that bar off. You're going to click and RM equals minimal. Post it. You can test it out by clicking it. You'll see that it now pulls up, and it does not have the Google Slides bar down here. It is just the presentation, so they're not able to click out of it or click to the next slide. Now, if they click on anything other than the slide, then it will advance them, but it'll take them to the try again page. So if they click anything other than one of the questions, it'll take them to the try again page, and they can just get back from there. I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope this gives you something fun and also rigorous for you to do on Friday. And I hope you guys enjoy.